hidden pine. Didn't know that girl was claimed with a 45 sign. She poured me whiskey, said you look like sin. I smiled once, that's when trouble walked in. Big boy steps up with a scar on his face. Said you messing with my woman in this place. I ain't dumb, but I ain't tame, so I kept one hand near my waist just in case. I said, look man, I don't want no war. Just point me to that old back door. Give me 3 steps and I'll be gone. You can have her boots and all. Ain't trying to be a name on the wall. Just need 3 steps and I won't brawl. You keep the girl, I'll keep my pride. Just let me out of here alive. Sweat on my neck, bottle in hand. Crowd stopped cold like a one-man band. She grinned wicked like she planned this play. He cocked his wrist and the bar backed away. I said, brother, she ain't mine to keep. I just came in for a drink and a seat. But fists get loud when silence speaks, and outlaws know when to clench their teeth. So give me 3 steps and I'll be gone. No need to spill blood before dawn. I don't want your fight, don't need your pain. Just point me toward that window pane. Give me 3 steps toward that door. Let me walk like I've done before. You keep the girl, I keep my name. Just let me go, don't stoke the flame. I've danced with death and lived to tell, but I ain't trying to raise more hell. So if you got lead, keep it holstered tight, 'cause I ain't worth the jail tonight. Just give me 3 steps and I'll be gone. You'll never hear my boots at dawn. Let me ghost like smoke in there, like I was never even there. Give me 3 steps and I won't stay. This outlaw knows when to walk away. Keep your bar, your girl, your pride. Just let me make that back door slide. Walk in like he owned the room. Boots too clean, smelling like perfume. She gave him that look, I know that grin. That's the same damn smirk she gave me back then. He leaned in close like I wasn't there, sipping my whiskey, breathing my air. You don't borrow fire and expect no flame. In this bar, boy, I run the game. You asked for 3 steps, you got none. You crossed that line, now here I come. You touch what's mine, now the tab's been paid. You just bought a grave where you thought you played. Ain't no warnings, ain't no break. You asked too late for your clean escape. She might smile, but I don't bluff. You should've known when to call it rough. See, I don't fight for pride or show. I fight 'cause hell's what I know. You think you slick with your outlaw charm, but she's danced that dance on every arm. You ain't the first, you won't be last, but you sure as hell gonna learn real fast. You walked in soft, now stealing dust. I don't need much, just a reason to bust. You asked for 3 steps, but this ain't church. You're on my land, now feel that hurt. You should've thought twice before you met her gaze. Now it's bar stools flying and bottles break. Ain't no talking, ain't no peace, just a crimson spill and a badge of heat. She laughs while you choke on fate, 'cause boy, you asked 3 steps. thought you could sip and slide, but every outlaw meets a man who don't hide. You call it wild, I call it mine, and I'll defend what's mine every time. You asked for 3 steps, should've asked for grace. You got a fist in your pride and boots in your face. She's long gone, but I'm still here, with a grin made of smoke and a soul full of beer. You called it luck, I called it fate, but now your name's just etched in hate. Ain't no mercy at this gate. Boy, you asked 3 steps, 2 down, late.
I saw him walking all rough and clean. Thought, let's see who breaks when I play mean. Ordered 2 shots, leaned in real low, tucked my hoodie down just so he'd know. He smiled back like a loaded gun. Didn't take much to make the engine run. Meanwhile, my man's at the end of the bar, and I'm just poking wounds for the scars. Yeah, I'm starting fires again, just for fun in the mess they're in. 2 men fighting for what I ain't giving. I light the match, then keep on sinning. Lipstick loaded, smirk on 10. Starting fights, they'll never win. They beg, they brawl, they burn on cue. I'm the storm they never knew. I ain't looking for forever, babe. Just like watching boys misbehave. Give a wink, give a sip, then sit back. Let them bleed while I fade to black. One thinks he's slick, the other gets loud, but both of them talking like I'm a vow. I'm no prize, I'm gasoline in a tight black tee with a war queen lean. Yeah, I'm starting fires again, just for kicks and how they end. He asked for 3 steps, didn't get one, 'cause I whispered lies to load the gun. Boots on the bar, heart full of sin. Starting fights, I never step in. They sway and rage while I just grin. I ain't his girl, I'm just the wind. You call it trouble, I call it art. I break bones without playing a part. Say my name and men go blind, but sugar, I'm the dirt and desire's mine. Yeah, I'm starting fires again, with my chain, my boots, my poison pen. A devil's game with a southern beat. Let him bleed at my high heel feet. He asked for steps, the other 4-piece, but I'm the one that won't release. They fight and fall and never win, 'cause baby, I'm just starting fires again.
She smiled at me, then smiled at him. Same bar stool, same damn sin. I said, give me 3 steps, he said, hell no. Then the room went cold like a swinging axe. Somebody stood, somebody shoved. She backed up, smirking, watching us bust. The jukebox cracked and the bottle flew. Then the whole damn bar knew what to do. We're 3 steps from a riot. Boots stomping and fists go flying. She lit the fuse, now it's war inside. Bar stools fly and neon die. We're 3 steps from a riot. Ain't no peace, just shots and sirens. From a dirty grin to a full-on fight. We're 3 steps deep in a barroom night. He cracked my lip, I chipped his tooth.
but I kinda respect that kind of truth. She vanished out back with a devil's laugh while we tore that